On your own, number 4, reason. How can you compare the values of the underlying digits in the number 322,179? So are those digits the same? Yes, they're both 2, right? Okay, but are they in the same place value? No, they are not in the same place value. One is in what place value? What's the first one in?
10,000.
The 10,000 place value, and the other is in the thousands place value, right? Okay, so the first one is 20,000, and the second one is 2,000. So what have we talked about? 20,000 is how much greater? So 20,000 is blank times greater than. So how many times greater than?
10
10
times.
times, because there is one extra 0, right? Okay, and it's also one place value apart. Okay. Remember, what I write, you write. Number 5, open-ended. Riley writes the number 840,361. Trevor uses the same digits to write a number greater than Riley's number. Jackson uses the same digits to write a number that is less than the numbers that Riley and Trevor wrote. What number could each student write? Okay, so we need to find out what Riley's number is first, right? Okay, so what is Riley's number? 840,361. Okay, Trevor uses the same digits to write a number greater than Riley's number. Okay, so basically, is there any number larger than 8? No. So Trevor's number has to start with an 8 too, right? Okay, now we need something bigger though than 4, right? So which numbers in Riley's would be bigger than a 4? There's only one choice, right? 6, okay? And then we can even, what can we write now? 1, okay? So I use the 8, the 6, and the 1. What can I have now? Can I have 430?
Yes.
Would that work? So 861,430. So is that still larger than Riley? Yes. Okay, because the 10,000s is larger. Now Jackson uses the same digits to write a number less than Riley and Trevor. So what can we do? We can still keep the 8 and put something smaller in the 10,000s, right? Or could we completely change the 100,000? We could completely change it. So what do you guys want to do? What do you want to put as our first number? 6, okay. And then I could do 8. I heard 8. I could do 3. What do I have left? 4. What do I have left?
3.
No, I already used 3. There is no 2. I can use 1 and 0, right? So 683,410. Is that less than both of those 2? Yes. Okay. Number 6. 109,687, 190,678. So do those have the same number of place values? Yes, there's 6 numbers, right, in each, which pushes us to 100,000. Okay, in the 100,000 spot, is there a 1 in both?
Yeah.
Yes, so we're going to mark those off. And the 10,000 spot is the same number in the 10,000 spot? No. We have a 0 and we have a 9. Okay, so 109,687 is less than 190,678. Number 7, 587,381 compared to 587,318. Do we have the same number of place values? to the 100,000, right? 5. Is 5 in both of the 100,000 spots? Yes. So we're going to mark off the 5. Is 8 in both of the 10,000 spots? Yes. So we're going to mark that off. Does the 1,000 spot have the same number in both? Yes. So I'm going to mark it off. Does the hundreds place value have the same number in both spots? Okay. Does the tens have the same number in both spots? No. So I'm going to circle the 8 and I'm going to circle the 1. So 587,381 is greater than 587,318. 225,976 compared to 225,976. Those are what? Equal to, because they have the same number in all of the place values, correct?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Number 9. The students in Mrs. Edwards' class participate in a 40-book challenge every school year. After they record their book titles, they find the total number of pages read. How can you compare and order the number of pages from least to greatest? Okay. So what are we going to do? Basically, we are going to take the place values and compare them, right? Okay. So do they all have the same number of place values? Yes. They all go to what place value? That's what's in it. But what is that place value? The thousands, right? Okay. In the thousands place, do they all have 8? Yes. So we're going to mark this off, right? Kind of like what we did before on the other page where we rewrote them and stacked them, correct? Okay. Now they want from least to greatest. So does the hundreds place value have all the same numbers? No. Okay. So they actually all 3 are different. So we're going to circle it. And then they want least to greatest. So who has the least number?
The bottom.
Which is who? Tara. Okay. So because Tara has, now since we're using names, we can use commas. Tara has 8,465. Who would have the next least amount of pages, Owen or Lucy? Owen. Because he has 8,532. And then Lucy has what? Because she has 8,642.